this is Nicole and Deanna's Knitting Shop, and we just wanted to give you a heads up about what we're all about. So, so for certain, there's a blanket or chair cover, like I'm using it for now. That is commonly used. It's very pretty, very simple, very quick. You can always get lessons. We might put that up on the shop. That is the process of a blanket. It's coming along. It's more of a swaddler where you have two sides, like triangular sides, and you swaddle your baby with it, and you can make hats and stuff to buy them, and it can really go good. Let's see. Hold this, please. Talk if you want.
Okay, you guys don't know I did a scarf like this kind of potato scarf, chip scarf, so it's tight controlled.
Okay, so everybody, this very, very big Afghan, actually. My grandma made it for me when I was littler, but what I'm getting to is that we could also make these. They're very simple. They take a long time, but if you can knit quickly, like both of us can, they're actually very quick, very simple as well, depending on the pattern. Just want to say that, and send in your requests, and then patterns that you find, lengths, what times, and we'll try to get them to you as fast as we can. You know, hit us up. Don't be afraid to. We're cool. We're nice.
Come on Facebook. It's called Nicole Deanna Knitting Shop. And in the pictures, the colorful on it.
Well, the colorful knitting. Just type it on Facebook, see if you can find it. Very quick, very simple. Just hit us up.
And there's a phone number on there.
True. All right. Bye, y'all. Nice talking to you.